Hello my friends, and welcome back to another episode of MTD North America. Today I'm with my buddy Steve and we're at OptiPro Systems here in Ontario, New York. Now, for those of you who have seen the MTD CNC videos, you know that I talk a lot about Yasda, the precision of Yasda, the pallet change capabilities of Yasda, the thermal expansion adjustment that goes on while the machine is actually running of the Yasda. But Steve today is going to help us be educated a little bit more on the programming or the software that comes along with Yasda. So Steve, thank you for being a part of MTD CNC.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we'll start right with the Yasda OpenNE software. And the really cool thing about this is it gives the operator a really nice GUI to operate and use the machine in all different varieties. The one today that we're going to be highlighting the most is the EasyMe software. So this is when you would have a probe in the spindle. It's a really nice interface that an operator can use to move that probe around and get some really nice technical information to then bring back to your part or back to you yourself, which then again allows you to machine the part faster, more accurate, things like that. So just kind of showcasing it itself, it gives you a bunch of different pictures that show directions of where the probe is actually going to go. So in this case we have a face, so it would be like a single point touch. So the probe would come down, just do one single touch, save that coordinate, put it back into the control, you're good to go. That's one of them. The next one would be a center, and again it walks you through what you're actually after, right? So you have an idea, I want to measure the inside of a bore. So I could go to the center of the bore. What do I want to do? Am I just trying to find the center of it to set that to a work coordinate, or am I trying to find an actual position? So it's really nice. It's a really nice, flexible and easy way to move your probe around instead of other machines where they don't have this GUI and you actually have to go into the manuals and look at the code and all the compulsory inputs, and it can get very taxing and annoying, to be honest. So this is really nice. It's all laid out with a lot of pictures. Another one is, do you have an intersection of two planes? So I can go in and check the intersection of that. The other one is this tool management. So this would be using a laser or high-speed camera to actually go and find the tool length of the tool itself. So not only does it find the tool length, it finds the runout, and in some cases it'll actually map out the profile of your cutter to a certain amount of degrees depending on how you set up. So the idea is, if you know as much information as you want on the tool, when it gets fed back to the system, your part's just going to be that much more accurate. It's a really nice system that they put together here.
Well, and based on that, Steve, from the outside looking in, it obviously adds to the character of the machine. We talk about precision all the time, but it also looks really user-friendly for someone like myself who's app-based. You know, it just looks like a couple of buttons like I would do on my phone or my iPad.
Yeah, absolutely. I would definitely recommend getting training on the Yasda if anybody does go to use it. But with this software interface, I would agree that it actually is very user-friendly for someone who is less experienced in the Yasda world. Let's say that.
Awesome. Well, Steve, we'll keep this one short and sweet because I think you've nailed all the points of that tutorial for our global audience out there. Very well done, and thank you again for being a part of MTD CNC.
No problem. Thanks, guys. Thanks for having me.